how to add follow button on Facebook comments. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account. Now from your home page, navigate to the top right corner, then tap on this three line icon. Here scroll down a bit and then tap on settings and privacy. And then again tap on settings. Here again scroll down and under audience and visibility. First of all, tap on followers and public content. And from this page, you have to make sure that all of these options are set to public. If not, turn on them all to public. Now, once you're done with that, go back once and then again tap on how people find and contact you. And at the very top, it says who can send you friend request. Tap on this drop down menu and then tap on friends of friends. After you're done with that, now you have to get to your profile page. Go back and then tap on your profile icon. Now from your profile page, tap on this three dots icon next to the edit profile option and then tap on turn on professional mode. Then tap on turn on. Now once the professional mode is turned on, tap on this three dots icon under your profile name and then tap on view as. And there you get a follow option in your profile. Now whenever you post any comment from your Facebook account, next to your comment, the public or other will get a follow option. So from there also other people can follow you through the comments. So that's how you can get follow button on your Facebook comment. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.